So good.
That was quite good. Until I was like chili flakes, chili powder, Tabasco sauce goes on it. Like,
My mom's not Indonesian already. I'm like, okay. I'm gonna stop there with the chicken.
they're so good.
I have to do the poses as well.
Yeah. So like, you make your eyes really big too. Yeah, it's meant to. That's why they do it. It's crazy.
True beauty. You know when they have the true beauty?
Yeah.
You know the costume?
Yeah, you do.
You know what?
Yeah. Yeah, he's a...
It's giving her eyebrows. I don't know if I can deal with that, but anyway.
They're so cute.
I'll go first. I want this one. What is going on there? Just take it out. Go. Just. Oh God, you picked the one that didn't want to go, huh?
Thank you.
Got the camera still.
I have
Why are you looking at me like
my
that?
Halloween costume.
Oh, really? Why are you looking at me? She looked at me like she was so. She's like, I did it. I made something. I did this. Hey Ted, do you want to show you?
What do I do? This is my I literally just put it together. I didn't do anything creative, I just picked them out from here and put
I like it, Picasso. Effortless.
that is all I did.
Show us yours.
It's a work in progress.
Oh, okay.
It looks pretty. See, look, why is it
It's lacking, but it needs character development, like we all do. But we'll get there, as every bouquet does.
If I should like mix it. Yeah. Wow.
I don't know. That looks really good.
Yeah. What the heck?
Damn.
My hood is up because my hair looks awful, but packages. I don't really know if I need to do like a haul of this one, but I ordered some Lush bath bombs because for the past year I've lived in a place that only has a shower, but my bathroom here has a bathtub. However, this is annoying. Okay. Oh, this is so annoying. I ordered 3 bath bombs. Oh my god, they smell gorgeous. They are a box of 3 little, and I actually just thought that was so much better for the price. And that just went everywhere. So I'm gonna stop trying to show this now. But I got this one. I'm not gonna try and pronounce things because it's Japanese and I will mess up the name, but here we go. A trio of cool, refreshing, nutrient-dense seaweed bath bombs inspired by Japanese art of restorative bathing. And then this one is the warm, invigorating, nutrient-dense seaweed bath bombs. I saw like one said velvety tobacco sweet vanilla and I was like, it's gonna be yes for me. My hands and my body are now covered. And then I got one more, which they literally didn't package it. I'm so confused right now. Okay, but this is the other one I got, and this is really strange that it's literally just been thrown into the box, but I actually can't remember the name of this one. Pause for a moment. The Butterball bath bomb, and it's like vanilla and stuff like that. I think it's like soothing. I get all the soothing ones basically, and now I have to put all of this stuff back into the box. Lush, can I have a word please? Okay, I have to clean it up. Okay, this is the package it was. I ordered no, she's like kind of beaten. Okay, what is wrong with my parcel people? I do pop bar. This is from the Ink Plum Blossom. Basically, I really need to finish like one collection that I've started, but I saw these and this is the most beautiful collection I think the Skull Panda thing has ever made, and I want every single one of them, and I think this is the one I'm gonna try and get all of them in. The sea in moss or bamboo is good. I don't want to see which one I got, so I'm gonna put the card over here for a second. I'm so excited. This is so good. Ready? You ready? Okay, ready? You ready? Oh, which one did I get? Oh, she's so pretty. Wait. Oh my god, she's so pretty. Wait, I'm gonna put it there for a second. Which one did I get? I got the bridge. Wait, this card is gorgeous. Oh my god, this card is so pretty. Wow. She's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, she has little birds. Oh my god. She's so pretty. Okay, she's so pretty. Oh. Okay, yes, I need the entire collection, please. Hi. If my room is messy, let's not talk about it. Why am I moving my hands so much? Because I have press-ons on today, so hands will be moving. Anyway, can you guys see? I hope you can see. This is my traveling outfit. My big ass coat that's like a blanket, and I also have, I actually don't know what this is called, I forgot the name, but like it's a little hood that you can just like add. I got it in Korea and it was so handy for winter, so yay. Wait, back. I just have my plain little bag, my plain little black suitcase. Wow. And then I'm wearing my big old stompy boots. I'm about to be on like a 6-hour coach journey, which is not fun, but also paying £104 for a ticket to London is literally the most ridiculous thing ever. We move. But yeah, go to London. Today is Thursday, so I'm gonna be there until ladies and gentlemen, my nails come off. Why does this always happen to me?
This morning? Yeah. Really? What decision have you come to?
I hate these boxes because they're so like slippery. Do you know what I mean? So annoying. It pisses me off. I think we're just pissed off because of our treat. Oh, 100%. We're just angry girls today. Like,
We're just like yapping chihuahuas at this point.
honestly.
Mine's like a Doberman, I think.
Yeah, I was literally about to say a
I was
Doberman.
like, is he a Doberman or is he like a German Shepherd? He's more of like a...
That's 100% Doberman.
Yeah. Or maybe I prefer being a cat. I don't know what kind of cat though.
If I was a cat, I'd be an oriental short-haired cat.
Oh my god, that's so funny.
They look like little vampires.
I know, exactly. That's very Danielle for it. I love it. I want one. Stop seeing. Pause. Oh my god, she looks good. Everyone looks good today.
I just got home from work and I had something to eat, and now I have to clean my room because I came back from London yesterday and my room is so messy, like it's so bad. I got home really late last night because my coach got delayed by like an hour and a half. So I got home at like, I think I got home at like 11ish. And then I kind of just wanted to chill because I had a little existential crisis on the coach. And I was just like crying my eyes out for like 30 minutes on the coach, and then I was all good, it was fine. So then when I came home, I was like, I'm just gonna chill. And then I had work at, I had to get up for work at like 5:30, 6 o'clock this morning. So I just dumped stuff and got ready. Let me show you what I'm currently dealing with. Okay, so we have just like random clothes and shoes, because these were like shoe options I was gonna bring, and these were jean options I was gonna bring, because of course I packed the morning I left. So yeah, this is my suitcase. That if anyone could see the hair, that is my ponytail. But yeah, that's my lovely suitcase that hasn't been done. This I need to just put things away, and then this is all the mess as well. It needs to be sorted out. I am currently on my period, so I feel awful, like so awful. My painkillers aren't working at the moment, so I'm just feeling the full force of the pain. My camera's not even focused on me, it just hates me so much. A long story short, I need to have a bath because I feel like I just feel gross right now, and I just want to sit and have a bath bomb in a warm bath and feel relaxed. But do I do that before I start tidying or after? I feel like before. Welcome to my mind, everybody. Welcome to my mind. Okay, so it is like semi-cleaned. Well, actually not semi-cleaned. It has been cleaned. I did my bed. The floor is now completely clear. There is nothing there anymore, which we love. The desk is also clear. But yeah, I need to figure out how the hell to just sort out all of these plushies. For now, they're all just on my sofa.